Good morning friends. Schrödinger equation for hydrogen atom. The mathematical framework of Bohr's theory was based on the basic assumption of quantization of orbital angular momentum of the electron. This theory led to the quantization of electronic energies, which formed the basis for explaining the experimental spectra of hydrogen-like species such as hydrogen, helium plus, lithium 2 plus and beryllium 3 plus. This theory was not entirely satisfactory as it failed to provide an interpretation of relative line intensities in the hydrogen spectrum and also failed completely when it was applied to explain the energies and spectra of more complex atoms. We considered the application of Schrödinger's wave theory to one electron atom. In subsequent section, it will be shown the principle of this theory can be applied to many electron atoms. The time independent form of Schrödinger equation is h cap psi equal to E psi h cap or h cap psi total equal to E total into psi total, which is equation 1, where h cap is a Hamiltonian operator. E total is the total non-relativistic energy. Psi total is the wave function for the total system. Since the hydrogen-like systems contain two particles, namely nucleus and electron, the wave function psi total depends on the 6 coordinates variable, 3 for the electron and 3 for the nucleus, which was shown in the below diagram. Electron and nucleus. The Hamiltonian operator consists of two terms, kinetic energy, potential energy. The kinetic energy operator will contain two terms, one for the electron and one for the nucleus. H cap equal to T cap N plus T cap E plus V cap, which is equation 2. We know that T cap equal to minus h cross square by 2m Laplacian square, which is equation 3. We know that h cross square equal to h square by 4 pi square. Substitute the terms in equation 3. Equation 4 we get T cap equal to minus h square by 8 pi square m Laplacian square. V cap equal to minus z square by 4 pi epsilon naught r, which is equation 5, which is 1 coulomb's term in potential energy. The Laplacian operator in Cartesian coordinates is given by Laplacian square equal to dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square, which is equation 6. Substitute 4 and 5 in equation 2. H cap equal to minus h square by 8 pi square m n Laplacian n square minus h square by 8 pi square m e Laplacian e square minus z square by 4 pi epsilon naught r, which is equation 7. Substitute equation 7 in equation 1. Only the term h cap is going to substitute in equation 1. We get minus h square by 8 pi square m n Laplacian n square minus h square by 8 pi square m e Laplacian e square minus z square by 4 pi epsilon naught r into psi total equal to E total into psi total, which is equation 8. Substitute equation 6 in equation 8. Minus h square by 8 pi square mn into dou square by dou xn square plus dou square by dou yn square plus dou square by dou zn square minus h square by 8 pi square me dou square by dou xe square plus dou square by dou ye square plus dou square by dou z square minus z square by 4 pi epsilon naught r into psi total into E total into psi total. Using this diagram we can get the equation of x equal to r sin theta cos pi, y equal to r sin theta sin pi, z equal to r cos theta, which is the spherical polar equation. Spherical polar coordinates are theta pi rather than Cartesian coordinates x, y, z. The Cartesian coordinates are related to polar coordinates as follows. The Schrödinger equation for hydrogen atom in terms of spherical polar coordinates of transformed expression is given below. Minus h square by 8 pi square nu r square bracket dou by dou r square into dou by dou r plus 1 by sin theta into dou by dou theta into sin theta into dou by dou theta plus 1 by sin square theta into dou square by dou pi square minus z square by 4 pi epsilon naught r into psi equal to E psi, which is equation 10, where psi is the function of r, theta and pi. Rearrange the equation 10, we get 1 by r square dou by dou r square by r square into dou by dou r plus 1 by sin theta dou by dou theta into sin theta into dou by dou theta plus 1 by sin square theta into dou square by dou theta. 1 by sin square theta into dou square by dou pi square into psi plus 8 pi square nu divided by h square into z square by 4 pi epsilon naught r plus E bracket psi equal to 0, which is equation 11. Multiply by r square on equation 11. R square we are going to multiply equation 11, so this term will be get cancelled. Okay, multiply by r square on equation 11, dou by dou r, first term 1 by r square term get cancelled, and last term 8 pi square nu r square by h square get added, r square get added in 8 pi square nu by h square. That's all. Then it is rearranged in r term, theta term and pi term. Dou by dou r square into dou by dou r plus 8 pi square nu r square by h square z square by 4 pi epsilon naught r plus E plus 1 by sin theta dou by dou theta sin theta into dou by dou theta plus 1 by sin square theta dou square by dou pi square into psi equal to 0, which is equation 12, where psi is the reduced mass of the electron and nucleus. Nu equal to mn dot me divided by me plus mn. Assuming that the wave equation can be solved by separating the variables psi of r into theta into pi equal to capital R of small r into capital pi of capital theta into small theta, capital pi into small pi, which is equation 13, where capital R into small r is the radial function which is a function of r, and capital theta into small theta and capital pi into small pi are angular functions. Psi equal to r into capital R into capital theta into capital pi, which is equation 14. Equation 12 can be written as dou by dou r square into dou psi by dou r plus 8 pi square nu r square by h square z square by 4 pi epsilon naught r plus e into psi plus 1 by sin theta dou by dou theta sin theta into dou psi by dou theta plus 1 by sin square theta dou square psi by dou pi square equal to 0, which is equation 15. Substitute equation 14 in equation 15. Only substituting the side terms in 15, which is equation 16. Equation 16 upon differentiation. Equation 16, capital theta into capital pi into dou by dou r square into dou r by dou r plus 8 pi square nu r square by second term fully constant, so no, there is no changes, and third term plus r in capital R into capital pi 1 by sin theta dou by dou theta sin theta into dou capital theta divided by dou theta plus r capital theta into 1 sin square theta into dou square capital theta by dou theta equal to 0, which is equation 17. Multiply the terms by 1 by capital R into capital theta into capital pi. We get 1 by r into dou by dou r square into dou r by dou r plus 8 pi square nu r square by h square z square by 4 pi epsilon naught r plus e plus 1 by capital theta into 1 by sin theta into dou by dou theta sin theta into dou capital theta divided by dou theta plus 1 by dou pi 1 by capital pi into 1 by sin square theta into dou square capital pi by dou psi square pi square, which is equation 19, which is the r term is equal, left hand side equal to radical part and right hand side equal to angular part. Equation 19 can be written as 1 by r dou by dou r square dot dou r by dou r plus 8 pi square nu r square by h square z square by 4 pi epsilon naught r plus e equal to beta, which is equation 20. 1 by capital theta into 1 by sin theta into theta by dou into dou divided by dou theta into sin theta into dou capital theta by dou theta plus 1 capital pi into 1 sin square theta into dou square capital pi divided by dou pi equal to minus beta, which is equation 21. We know that beta equal to L into L plus 1. Thus the Schrödinger equation 12 for the hydrogen like species has been separated into 3 equations. Equation involving only the r term, 1 by r into d by dr, r square into dr by dr plus 8 pi square nu r square by h square z square by 4 pi epsilon naught r plus e equal to beta, which is equation 22. Only the r term is present. Equation involving only theta, sin theta divided by capital theta into d by d theta into sin theta into d capital theta divided by d theta plus b sin square theta into m square, which is equation 23, in which theta terms are present. Third, equation involving only pi, 1 by capital pi into d square capital pi by d pi square equal to minus m square, which is equation 24, in which pi terms are present. The equation 22, 23 and 24 are called r equation, capital theta equation and capital pi equation. That's all. Second, how will you write the same for helium plus and lithium 2 plus, which is the diagram for helium nucleus. In surrounding we have 2 electrons. To fill the Schrödinger equation, h cap psi equal to E psi with a bit of life, we need to add the species for the system of interest, here the hydrogen like atom. A hydrogen like atom consisting of a nucleus and 1 electron. The nucleus can be bigger than a single proton. Through the hydrogen atom, helium plus ion and lithium 2 plus ion, etc., or hydrogen like atom in the context. We will see later how can we use the exact solution for the hydrogen like atom as a approximation for multi-electron atom. The potential between two charges is described by Coulomb's term, V equal to minus Z square by 4 phi epsilon naught r. Z equal to charge of the nucleus, Z equal to 1 is being the hydrogen case, Z equal to 2 being the helium case, etc., and goes on. E, charge of single electron, epsilon naught equal to permittivity of vacuum, which is the diagram for Coulomb's term, and we get the potential equation. The system consisting of two masses, we can define the reduced mass nu, that is the equivalent mass point located at the center of gravity of the system would have nu equal to small m into capital M divided by small m plus capital M, where small m is the mass of the electron, capital M is the mass of the nucleus. Thus the hydrogen atom is of Hamiltonian is h cap equal to h cross square by 2 nu Laplacian square minus Z square by 4 pi epsilon naught r. Third, how can we convert the two body problem into one body problem? Let two particles of mass m1 and m2 have the position vector r1 and r2 and any time t with respect to origin, which is shown in the below diagram, where r vector equal to r1 vector minus r2 vector, where r is the center of mass position vector, capital R equal to m1 r1 vector plus m2 r2 vector divided by m1 plus m2, which is equation 1. For center of mass position vector, origin is coincide. So r capital R vector equal to 0. So which is equation 2, m1 r1 vector plus m2 r2 vector divided by m1 plus m2 equal to 0 because the r term is 0. So m1 plus m2 is moved to right side, it will get 0. Then the fourth equation is m1 r1 vector plus m2 r2 vector equal to 0, which is fourth equation. We already seen r vector equal to r1 vector minus r2 vector. r1 vector equal to r1 vector equal to r vector plus r2 vector, which is equation 6. r2 vector equal to r1 vector minus r vector, which is equation 7. Using Lagrangian equation, L equal to T minus V, which is equation 8, where T is the kinetic energy and V is the potential energy. L equal to half m capital R square plus half m1 small r1 square plus half m2 r2 square minus V, which is equation 9. Half m capital R square equal to 0. Using equations 6 and 7, m1 r1 vector plus m2 r2 vector equal to m1 bracket r vector plus r2 vector plus m2 r2 vector equal to 0. m1 r1, so multiply with m1 r1 vector plus m1 r2 vector plus m2 r2 vector equal to 0. r2 vector term common, so we can take that r2 vector into m1 plus m2 equal to minus m1 r vector. We want to know r2 vector, so r2 vector kept left side and m1 plus m2 it goes to right side. r2 vector equal to minus m1 dot r vector divided by m1 plus m2, which is equation 10. Similarly, we can get r1 vector equal to m2 into r vector divided by m1 plus m2. For r2 vector which is minus term and r1 vector which is plus term, which is equation 11. Substitute equation 10 and 11 in equation 9. L equal to half m1 r1 vector plus half m2 r2 vector minus V. Half m1 into r1 value, m2 into r vector divided by m1 plus m2 whole square plus half m2 minus m1 into r vector divided by m1 plus m2 whole square minus V. Next, 1 by 2 m1 into square the terms m2 square into r vector square divided by m1 plus m2 square plus 1 half m2 m1 vector into r vector square divided by m1 plus m2 square minus V. Next, take the common terms. Of is a common term, m1 is a common term, m2 also common term, r vector square it's a common term divided by m1 plus m2 the whole square. Then write down the other term, m2 plus m1 it's the other term minus V. Then cancel the m2 plus 1 with the square, we can get equal to 1 by 2 m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2 r vector square minus v. We know that reduced mass equal to m into m divided by m1 into m2 divided by m1 plus m2. Then substitute the reduced mass. L equal to 1 by 2 nu r vector square minus v, which is equation 12. I already tell the reduced mass. So the two body problem reduced to one body problem, where L equal to half m capital R square minus v, it reduced to L equal to half nu r square minus v. Equation 12 describes the equation. Fourth, explain the solution of Schrödinger equation. Solution of pi part. 1 by capital pi into small pi into dou square capital pi into pi divided by dou pi square plus m square equal to 0. Keep the square. Next term, dou square capital pi into small pi divided by dou pi square equal to minus m square capital pi into small pi. The trial solution is capital pi into small pi equal to a e plus or minus I m pi. Substitute it in dou pi. Dou square capital pi into small pi divided by dou pi square equal to plus or minus I m capital pi. We use the periodic boundary condition. Wave function has to be single value to start a particular value of pi, go around the full circle, come back to the same point, which means theta starts from 0 to 2 pi, which is 0 to 360, one circled rotation. Wave function has to be single valued. The wave function must have same value once again. Capital pi into small pi equal to capital pi into small pi plus 2 pi. The z component of angular momentum Lz cap equal to h cross by I into dou by dou pi. L cap z equal into capital pi into h cross by I dou by capital pi divided by dou pi equal to h cross I. We know that dou pi by dou theta equal to I m capital pi equal to I term get cancelled. We get m h cross into dou pi capital pi. M into h cross is the z component of angular momentum, where m equal to 0 into plus or minus 1 comma plus or minus 2 comma plus or minus 3 and goes on. M is called magnetic quantum number. M is restricted by another quantum number, which is orbital quantum number and azimuthal quantum number, such that m is less than L, which is sin theta divided by capital theta into dou by dou theta, sin theta into dou capital theta divided by dou theta plus b into sin square theta equal to m square. Next, 1 by capital theta dou square capital pi divided by dou pi square equal to minus m square. M square is present in both theta and pi. To solve the pi to get the allowed values of m. To solve the theta to get the limited to the allowed values of m. Theta part 1 by sin theta into d by d theta, sin theta into d capital theta into small theta divided by d theta minus m square by sin square theta capital theta into small theta plus beta capital theta into small theta equal to 0. The solution is p of L and power m cos theta equal to minus 1 power m divided by 2 power L into L factorial 1 minus cos square theta into m by 2 power m by 2 d into d power L minus m divided by d power L plus m into cos square theta minus 1 power L and p power p into L power minus m cos theta equal to minus 1 power m L minus m factorial divided by L plus m factorial p of L power m into cos theta. The solution p of L power m cos theta is associated Legendre polynomial. The solution is another associated with L, the polynomial itself a function of L and m. Apply boundary conditions to get the value of L equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Also get m less than or equal to L. When L equal to 2, m is the value of minus 2, minus 1, 0, cap 1 plus 1 plus 2. Beta equal to L into L plus 1. We know the L value, we can get the m value. What does the radical and angular part, which we have seen already in first question. The Schrodinger equation of the hydrogen atom in spherical polar coordinates minus h square by 8 pi square nu r square dou by dou r square into dou by dou r plus 1 by sin theta dou by dou theta into sin theta into dou by dou theta plus 1 by sin square theta into dou square by dou pi square close bracket minus z square by 4 pi epsilon naught r close bracket psi equal to E psi, which is equation 1. Second, rearranging the equation 1, which is r terms are r term, first r term, next theta term, and next pi term, and fourth constant, which is equation 2. Multiply equation 2 by r, by r square. So in equation 2, the first term 1 by r square get cancelled, and last term 8 pi square nu r square nu by h square into r square get added. That's all. Next, which is third equation. The wave equation can be solved by separating the variables psi into r into theta into pi into r of capital R in power small r, capital theta into small theta, capital pi into small pi. Psi equal to capital R into capital theta into capital pi. Equation 3 can be written as dou by dou r into r square dot dou psi by dou r plus 8 pi square nu r square by h square z square by 4 pi epsilon naught r plus E into psi plus 1 by sin theta dou by dou theta into sin theta dou psi by dou theta plus 1 by sin square theta dou square psi by dou pi square equal to 0, which is equation 5. Substitute equation 4 in equation 5, we get only substituting the side terms only, which is r capital theta capital pi. That's all. We can get the equation 6 only substituting side terms. Equation 6, upon differentiating capital theta into capital pi dou by dou r into r square into dou r by dou r plus 8 pi square nu r square by h square z square by 4 pi epsilon naught r plus e into r into capital theta into capital pi plus r into capital pi 1 by sin theta into dou by dou theta sin theta into dou pi by dou theta into divided by dou theta plus r into capital theta into 1 by sin square theta into dou square capital pi by dou pi square equal to 0, which is equation 7. Then multiplying equation 7 by 1 by capital R capital theta capital pi, then we get 1 by R into dou by dou r square into dou r by dou r plus 8 pi square nu r square by h square bracket z square by 4 pi epsilon naught r plus e plus 1 by capital theta 1 by sin theta dou by dou theta sin theta dou capital theta by dou theta plus 1 by dou pi 1 by sin square theta dou square psi capital pi by dou pi square, which is equal to 0, which is equation 8. Equation 8 can be written as 1 by r dou by dou r square dot dou r by dou r plus 8 pi square nu r square by h square z square by 4 pi epsilon naught r plus e, which is the radical part because of r term is present, equal to minus bracket 1 by capital theta into 1 by sin theta into dou by dou theta into sin square theta into dou capital theta divided by dou theta plus 1 by capital pi into 1 by sin square theta into dou square capital pi by dou pi square, which is angular part. The same terms are present here. Okay, next, sixth question. Solution of radical part. The radical equation is called the associated Langer equation and the solution or satisfy the appropriate boundary condition are called associated Langer functions. Assume that the ground state has t equal to 0 and this requires m suffix l equal to 0. Equation becomes 1 by r square into dou by dou r square into dou r by dou r plus 2 nu by h cross square into e minus v into r equal to 0. The derivative of r square into dr by d capital R by d small r yield two terms d square r by dr square plus 2 by small r d capital R by d small r plus 2 nu by h cross square e plus small e square minus 4 pi epsilon naught r into r equal to 0. The function r as given by capital R equal to rho power L exponential minus rho by 2 L prefix n plus 1 and power 2 L plus 1. Normalizing the above solution through the expression integral 0 to infinity r star r into small r square into dr equal to 1, where rho equal to 2zr by n a naught and a naught equal to h square 4 pi epsilon naught divided by 4 pi square nu e square. The solution is r equal to minus 2z by n a naught cube bracket n minus l minus 1 factorial divided by 2n bracket n plus 1 factorial bracket cube close bracket square 1 by 2 rho power L into exponential minus rho by 2 L prefix L plus suffix L plus n plus 1 power 2 L plus 1, where n equal to 1 2 3 4 up to infinity. Beta is the bridge is b r dependent part and theta dependent part. Theta dependent part gives the value of L. Restriction on L has to be less than n. That comes from the applying the boundary conditions. Thank you.